Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, so market has just broken out, guys. Okay, if we look here, the QQQ was trending in a channel, and it just broke out, guys. And it broke out with significant volume, guys. Look at this. And the ATR also went up, guys. It started moving up. So we got buy signal right here, guys. Right here from the bots, we got the buy signal. Okay. So let us wait and see, guys. We had a slight pullback, but we are waiting. We are waiting to see. Right? Okay, guys. I want you to know to look. Okay, the MACD is positive, guys. You see that? Look at that. MACD is positive. The RSI is strong, and the volume has increased, guys. Okay. Also, the ATR is up, guys. Look at that. It is a good move. We have volatility, we have the volume, we have the momentum, we have the strength, guys. That is all we need, guys. That is all we need. And we are trading above the one multiplier of the VWAP, guys. So this is good. This is strong move, guys. Strong move. Today, it is Monday, January 8th. So far, we have made some profits, but the market is slow this morning, guys. Nothing much, okay? We are now getting some volume, guys. We are now getting some consistency and some volume, okay? And as you can see, the bot gave a buy signal right here, and the market has been going up since, guys, okay? Look at my EMAs, guys, okay? The yellow is the faster 10-day EMA, and the purple is the 16-day EMA, guys. Okay, the slower one. Okay, the lag. Okay, lead and lag. Okay, and as you can see, the EMAs are up positive. Okay, so we are getting the volume. We are getting the steam, guys. We like it steamy. Okay, we like to see that coming in, guys. Getting some pullback, that is fine. But the volume is good. The volume is good, guys. No need to panic. No need to panic, guys. Okay. Okay. And once again, guys, we are. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. You see. You see that, guys. Okay. It is approaching the Bollinger Band, guys. Okay. And guys, I am not using the regular parameters for the Bollinger Bands. Okay. I have changed my Bollinger Bands parameters, and I have decreased the standard deviation from 2 to 1.5, and also I have changed the number of days from 20 to 10, guys, because I am scalping most of the time, guys. Okay, Raj likes to look for the moves, guys, and the momentum and the volume. Okay, once he has the volatility, the momentum, the volume, and the strength, I get into the position, guys. Okay, and once that dies down, I get out, guys. I have no time to wait for all other things to happen, guys. The market is very fickle, guys. Things can happen in the blink of an eye, guys. Look at right now. Okay, look at right now. Okay, let me get ready to come out, guys, because I am profitable. And as I said, quick scalp, guys. Quick scalp. Okay, even though this move looks like a stronger move, but I want to get out of as quick as possible, guys. Okay, so we wait and we see. We wait. Signals are still good, guys. Nothing to worry about. The volume is dying down a little bit, but that is fine. Remember, today is January 8th, 2024, guys. Brand new year. Time to make some money, guys. This is what we like. This is what we like, guys. Okay, I'm also looking at the VIX, guys, on another screen. Raj has multiple screens, guys. Multiple screens, okay? But I am looking at the VIX on another screen to see what is happening with the VIX, okay? Okay. Market is stagnant right now. Market is stagnant, but still good. Still good signals. Still good volatile. But the vitals are good still. Okay, nothing to worry about. Nothing to worry about. Okay, starting to go back up now, guys. Look at that. Look at. Oh, look at that, guys. Nice. We like that. Yes. Yes. See, told you nothing to worry about. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Come on, let's go. Let us go. Take off like a rocket ship. Oh, very good. The VIX is going down, guys. The VIX is decreasing very rapidly, guys. This is good, good, good news. Okay, we are very profitable right now. Very, very nice profits. I will. Yes. Okay. Let us go. Come on, markets. Come on. The volume is still good. The volume is still good, guys. Okay. Getting a little sell off. We want to capture our profits, guys. We want to capture our profits, but we are still good. Still good. Hold on. Hold on. You see how that candle went straight up, guys. Very fast. That is what we like. We like it like that, guys. Come on, more green, more green, more green. Come on, more green. Okay, we're getting some red, guys. I'm looking at nothing seems to be worried right now, guys. Nothing to worry about. Strong, strong move. You see, like I told you. Look at that. Strong. Market is strong, guys. Nothing to worry about. Okay, this move is a strong move. We have the volume right here. We have the volume, and we have the volatility and the strength of the RSI and the MACD. The momentum is to the upside, guys. Look at that. Okay, we are looking at this area right here for reversal. Okay, so we are trying to get to this, guys. Come on. What is that? Oh, okay. Okay. We want to pass. We want to get up to here, and then we will think about reversing. If we do not get a sell signal, if we get a sell signal from the bots, then we consider selling. Okay, guys. Remember, I have bots to help me trade, and I like to put my orders in, guys. I do not wait for the bots can put the orders in on a different account, but I want to put my own orders in, guys. Okay, getting some red, getting some resistance here, guys. But we are fine. We are very fine. Everything is strong, guys. Nothing to worry about. Okay. If you want right here, you can trim, you can take half the profits and you leave the rest. Okay, that is what Raj is going to do, guys. Raj is going to take some profits and then leave the rest. Okay, leave the okay. That is me. Oh, you hear that again? Exiting the trade. Okay, taking some profits, guys. Taking some profits. Okay, nothing is wrong with that. I trimmed half my position, and now we leave the next half, guys. So things are still good, guys. Things are still looking good. Okay. Okay, I got to buy a sell signal. I got a sell signal. Okay, right here on the QQQ. Okay, you got a little sell signal there, guys. Well, nothing to worry about. I already sold half the position, and now we want to see what happens to the rest. I am already profitable, guys. Okay, that is most important, guys. Lock in your profits, guys. Okay, remember, bears make money, bulls make money, and pigs they get slaughtered, guys. Do not be a pig. Do not be a greedy pig, guys. Okay, we don't like pigs. Okay, you take your profits and you leave and see what happens next, guys. Once you have make the money, that is fine, guys. Eat a little bit and live long, guys. Okay. Okay, no major breaks yet, guys. Things are still looking okay. Things are still looking fine, guys. You see, the move is back up, guys. Look at that. This is on the QQQ, guys. Okay, I am also trading the SPY, guys, but the QQQ has more momentum right now. The QQQ has more momentum, guys. See, guys, I got a sell signal here, guys. I should be buying some puts right now, but I am waiting to see, guys. I'm waiting to see. Okay, I exit my position, guys, because the move is breaking down, guys. The move is breaking down. Okay. Looks like we are getting into some consolidation, guys. The volume has died down a little bit, and the volatility has also died down a little bit, guys. Look at that. Okay.